Hello, I welcome you all to this class. So we are looking at number base, okay? We are looking at number base, and this is conversion of number bases. And the first one we're looking at is from converting from base 10 to other base. So when we talk about base 10 numbers, we're talking about our natural counting numbers. So if I say 30 naira, that is in base 10. So the number we use in our everyday communication, they are all involved in base 10, okay? So please, if this is your first time here, if you have been following us, make sure you subscribe, okay? And make sure you share our videos and comment, share your question on the comment section, okay? And I promise to respond. So we are going to be looking at these examples under conversion from base 10 to other base. So we'll have the first one, 20, which is in base 10. We are converting it to what? Base 2, and the same thing with others. So when we are converting from base 10 to other base, we follow the same method, okay? We follow the same method or process. So let's take one after the other. So we'll have solution. We'll have solution. We'll have number 1, which is what? We'll have 20 in base 10 to what? To base 2. So here, you are going to divide all through with what? 2. So if you are converting a number which is in base 10 to any base, you divide that number with what? With that base you want to convert it to. You divide all through with that particular number. So this, we are going to have what? We are going to dividing this by what? 20. We are going to be dividing 20 by what? 2. So 20 divided by 2 is what? 10. Remember what? 0. 10 divided by 2 is what? 5. Remember what? 0. 5 divided by 2 is what? Is 2. Remember what? 1. 2 divided by 2 is what? 1. Remember what? 0. 2 divide 1 will give us what? So the number we're dividing is less than the base. So we bring down, we say 0, remember what? That number. So 0, remember what? 1. So whenever you are dividing a number with a base and the number you are dividing is less than the base, you say it is what? 0. Remember what? That number. So here you count upward, okay? So that means that our 20 in base 10 will give us what? You count upward, 10100. So we have 10100 in what? Base 2. This is our answer, okay? So the second one, which is B, we have, this is A. We have 64 in base 10 to what? To base 3. So the same, you follow the same method. So here we're going to have what? We divide 64 all through by what? 3. So we have 64 divided by what? By 3. Okay? So 64 divided by 3 will give us what? 31. Remember what? Sorry. Will give us 21. Remember what? Remember 1. Okay? So 21 divided by 3 will give us what? Will give us 7. Remember what? 0. So 7 divided by 3 will give us what? Will give us 2. Remember what? 1. So 2 divided by 3, the number we're dividing is less than the base. So we'll say is 0. Remember what? That number. Remember 2. So we'll count upward. Okay? So here, our answer will be what? We'll have 64 in base 10. Will give us what? Will give us 2101. 2101 in base what? 3. So this is our answer. So the C part of it, we have 125. Say 125. Sorry. We'll have 125, which is in base 10, to what? To base 4. Okay? So we're converting this to base 4. So we follow the same method. So we have 125. We divide all through by what? 4. So 125 divided by 4 will give us what? Will give us 31. Remember what? Remember 1. Okay? So 31 divided by 4 will give us what? Will give us 7. Remember what? 3. Okay? So 7 divided by 4 will give us what? Will give us 1. Remember what? Remember 3. 1 divided by 4 will give us what? will give us 0, remainder what? 1. So we count upward. That means that our 125 in base what? 10 is equals to what? 1, 3, 3, 1. In base what? In base 4. So this is our answer. So the D part of it, we have the D part of it will have 425 in base 10. We'll have 4, that is D, 425 in base 10 to what? To base 5. So we'll follow the same process. We'll have 425, we'll divide by 5. Okay? So 425 divided by 5 will give us what? Will give us 85. Remainder what? Remainder 0. 85 divided by 5 will give us what? That will give us 17. Remainder what? Remainder 0. 17 divided by 5 will give us 3. Remainder what? 2. Okay? So 3 divided by 5, the number we're dividing is less than the base. So we'll bring down 0. Remainder what? That number. So 3 divided by 5 will give us 0. Remainder what? 3. So here we count upward. Okay? Once you get 0, that end the process. Okay? So here we count upward. That means that 425 in base 10 will give us 3200 in base what? 5. So this is our answer. So I want you to try the last one, which is what? Try this. We have 425 in base 10 to what? To base 9. So try this and share your answer on the comment section. I promise to look at it and check what you are doing. So please make sure you subscribe and you follow us on Facebook. Okay, thank you so much.